Hi, we researched a large variety of products based on their overall performance, value for money, and reviews from thousands of consumers that have purchased them. Through research and side-by-side comparisons, we believe that the following products are indeed the best on the market today. If you choose from these models, you can be sure that you are buying a great product. Make sure to check the products links below in the description. Let's see which are the best products this year.
(1964). A highly classified Special Ops Unit known as Military Assistance Command Vietnam Studies and Observations Group, or MACV-SOG, carries a unique combat knife into the jungle on covert missions. Years later, in 1986, that knife inspires a young designer to found SOG, paying tribute to that Special Ops Unit with its very first knife. What begins as a single commemorative model soon becomes a full line of innovative tools, field-proven by U.S. Special Forces, and after rigorous testing, honored as the Navy SEAL knife of choice. And today, there's a SOG for anyone who demands the best. So whether you're protecting others, guiding a job to completion, leading an epic expedition, tackling one of life's everyday challenges, or facing your most extreme conditions yet, no matter what your task or where you go, lead the way with SOG. Forged out of tradition, hardened in the field, honed for you. SOG, take point.